Yo, what's up, everybody? Bro. So, first I thought this was crickets. The moon. Yo. Yeah, I got the hiccups, yo. What the fuck? Excuse me. Bro, the one that was coming from over here, and y'all can't see, but it's east of me. Fucking hiccups. Yo, what the fuck? Fuck. Excuse me. I don't think. Wow. Well, I don't even hear it no more. Excuse me. Hear an owl. But anyways, it was towards the moon. On the right side of the moon over here. And there's nothing but a field. And woods. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, this is like the third time that at night I've been hearing crazy noises. I didn't record them because I didn't think they were anything like major. And this might not even be major. Might be nothing. Oh, excuse me. Fuck. Shit. So, bruh, hiccups. I hate hiccups. Right in the middle while I'm trying to film. But anyways, guys, this is probably nothing. I didn't even make videos on the last two. They were weird noises. But this one was weird, but it was probably a bunch of crickets. I hear a bunch of crickets and frogs and stuff. Um, right there behind me. Um, yeah, guys. So this is probably nothing. I'm not saying this has anything to do But what is weird is something that has been happening is things have been flying off my shelf. And today my doorknob, my room to my doorknob twisted by itself. Like, and I wasn't even high. And trust me, I wasn't. Like, I didn't have a chance to smoke today at all until like now, nighttime. But the doorknob happened in the daytime, like early. It wasn't daytime. It wasn't early. It was like 4. I mean, it was like 5:30 during the day, daylight. So I don't even hear the crickets or frogs. How can you be fucking? Anyway, y'all. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's something small to make for tonight because I was kind of busy all day today. Didn't have much time to drop any content. I released a new song, remix. Released a new song, and I did upload 2 videos. This is the second video. So, yeah, y'all. Take care of y'all selves. Yeah, something. Shit. What can I make the type? What video can I call this? The moon's gonna be the thumbnail. So, yeah. These can be me reacting to paranormal events and like otherworldly strange things, you know. I mean, noises, me capturing something on camera. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys like this video. It's gonna be short, but shorter the sweeter. And I can't even talk, but anyways, y'all, peace out.